Boy, hala, are you going to steam some steam buns? Murag steamer na siya lay, no?
Steamer.
Uy, wow.
Siopaw ba?
Magama og siupaw si Buboy. Uy, nice kay akong gi-vlog. Sa isa. Oh. Unsa man kuno sulod ana lay, wala ya mo?
Wala, squishy lang siya.
Ay, okay. Asa man nimo nagipali? Gwapa man kaayo. Mag-imagine na siya nga magluto kuno siya inimtik nga pagkaon. Ay, dumplings. Wait, are you going to cook some or to steam some dumplings?
Yay!
Uy, yay! What is it, boy? Ano na, boy? Nga imong kaguluhan dyan na, boy. Nano ko'y pang reels ani, oh. Uy, wow! Uy, wow! You show me that one, boy. Is that a siupaw? Uy, wow! Nakalami sa siupaw ni Maktiboy, una. Nice. Nice kayong dulaan ni Maxiboy. Uy, wow! What is inside in that, boy? Gusto ka, busy ni palangga. Hello, boy. Ano sa'yo mong giluto, boy? Ano yung giluto, boy? Pakita po, good boy. Oh, Maxiboy. Uy, wow, nice yung siupaw. Uy, wow. Oh, wow, white color siupaw. What's the other one, boy? You show me the third one.
Maybe not.
Monica, can you show me the others, Monica? What's inside in that, Monica? Can you show me what's inside in that? That siupaw. Sana siya, lay. Pakita daw kuno ko to. Man, giflex. Ay, kana. Dayon. Nag-record ba na ko niyo? Dayon ang isa. Uy, wow. Uy, wow. Gusto na siya. Dayon mo kayo, lay. Lingaw kay kong lantaw, lay. Gamay na kay kong kalipay ba? Wala, no, sang nawong lay. Ang isa lang, ang isa. Ang isa may sulod. Uy, puti nga siupaw. Uy, wow.
That's
Galing.
Mama's favorite.
Uy, wow.
I really like the yellow one, the blue one, and the white one.
Lingaw kay kulay.
Mama likes the basic ones, of course.
It's so beautiful, Monica.
Mama says that too. For the first time, she likes the stuff I like.
Uy,
I
wow.
like the container. Okay, good night, tita.
I like it,
Good night, Tita.
Monica.
Good night, papa.